Hello, you're watching weekly review of the US stock market on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Екатерина Стихина. The US stock market closed in positive territory last week. The Nasdaq Composite and the S&P 500 set new records, while investors were digesting a stronger than expected report on the US employment in April and were expecting the results of the presidential election in France. Over the week, the Nasdaq added 0.9%, hitting the record mark of 6,100.76. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones rose by 0.3% throughout the week to 21,006.94. The Dow exceeded the level of 21,000 for the first time since early March. The Standard & Poor's 500 closed the week with a 0.6% gain. The index hit the highest level of 2,299.29 since March 1st. 9 out of 11 of its companies closed the trades in the black. The US labor market shrugged off the March weakness, proving that the country's economy keeps advancing at a good pace. This can make a rate hike possible for the Fed in the near future. The non-farm payrolls report showed that last month the US economy generated 211,000 vacancies, up from forecast for 185,000 new jobs. Meanwhile, the jobless rate dropped to the 10-year low of 4.4%. The average hourly earnings advanced by 0.3% in April. However, in annual terms, the earnings growth rate slowed down to 2.5%, which is the slowest pace since August 2016. During a conference at Stanford University, Fed Vice Chairperson Stanley Fischer said that the Federal Reserve cannot blindly follow the set rules. It needs a certain freedom of action to adjust the policy to certain situations. Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen said that a lack of opportunities and workplace discrimination can hinder growth in salary for women. The shares of Zing Incorporated jumped by 13% in price on Friday after the news that the company developing games for social networks and mobile devices increased its revenue above expectations. The company reported on a net loss of $9.5 million or $1 a share. Given the revenue of $164.3 million, the revenue advanced by 4% in comparison with the same period last year. Analysts had projected a loss of 2 cents a share with the sales of $192.6 million. Besides, the shares of Revlon Incorporated dropped by almost 24% after the cosmetic company revealed its quarter results. The net loss of the company totaled $37.4 million or 71 cents a share in comparison with the earnings of $11 million at 21 cents a share logged last year. The adjusted loss made up 23 cents a share. The quarter revenue amounted to $594.9 million compared to $439.6 million. According to the pro forma reports, the revenue decreased by 5.8%. You were watching weekly review of the US stock market on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Екатерина Стихина. Stay tuned with us and have a profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.